Hello. Today we will be providing a screen reader experience tutorial using Voiceover to create a GitHub account. If you have primarily used a mouse for web navigation, this lesson will broaden your understanding of keyboard navigation for screen reader experiences. We will see a simple and routine web procedure, creating an online account. But now, with keyboard-only navigation. A quick refresher. A screen reader is an assistive technology that reads what's on the computer screen for you and provides keyboard-only navigation commands. I like to think of mouse navigation like flying around objects and screen reader navigation like jumping between them. It's a great way to visualize the importance of HTML architecture and understand why robust coding principles are becoming more standardized. There are some helpful links at the end of the video for screen reader accessibility. Some of the most common screen readers today are JAWS and NVDA for Windows, and VoiceOver for Apple. Some key features to compare are keystroke intuitiveness, browser experience, UI navigation, software pricing, and customizability. You'll see how these criteria impacted the optimal user experience, using Firefox to navigate GitHub with VoiceOver. Between novice screen reader skills, uncooperative software, and web pages, creating the account was equal parts frustrating and instructional. The first thing I'm going to do is turn on VoiceOver with Command F5. After that, I'm going to use the caps lock key, which is my VoiceOver key, and the right arrow key to tab over 13 times until I hit Firefox. When I open Firefox, it'll automatically put me into the URL at the top, and I will type in github.com. When I'm at the top, this is a really important part of designing a website. All of the important things that I need to interact with really are at heading level 1, and that includes things like signing in and signing up. That's something that visually we can see on a web page as well that really helps us navigate. And for this next section, just listen to how the screen reader announces how you should be navigating, creating an email, creating a password, creating an account, and meeting these requirements.
GitHub. Join GitHub. Link. Skip to content. Link. Enter your email, e.g. Monalisa at GitHub. C R L N. Email it. N U F O N 97. Carl Magnus N L C O M. Com. Create a password. Required invalid data. Secure edit text. Firefox. Password. Make password is strong. Make sure it's. Enter a username. Required in C N. Username Carl Magnuson. Username Carl Magnuson is unavailable. 9. Carl Magnuson 9.
And in this section, I had practiced this so many times, muscle reflex came in, I just hit N for no. For this next section, I really do suggest closing your eyes because the screen reader will tell you exactly how to get through the CAPTCHA verification.
Please verify by completing this CAPTCHA group. Please verify by completing this CAPTCHA. You are currently on a scroll area. To begin interacting with the contents of this scroll area, press Control, Option, Shift down arrow. Start puzzle button. Visual challenge, audio challenge. Start over with a different challenge button, group. Audio challenge button, group. Change to a not working. Please wait, group. Audio challenge, heading level 2, audio challenge. Press play, type the number of the sound with a crowd of people, then press enter or the done button below. Play button. You are currently on a button inside of a frame. To click this button, press Control, Option, Space. To exit, pause.
Option 1. Option 2.
Free sound, free sound, free sound, free sound, free sound, free sound.
Option 3.
Nan. 3. You done button. Heading level 2, one more to go.
And you see it announces that I'm back at heading level 2. It automatically redirects me there and narrates that for me.
Button. You are currently on a button inside, pause.
Option 1. Option 2. Option 3.
Feel the rhythm.
Nan, type your 2. You are currently on a stepper inside of a done button.
Now that I have completed the CAPTCHA, I'm going to go to the next input field, create account, click it using my keyboard, and it's going to bring me to this window. I'm going to open a new tab and go to my Gmail account.
Gmail, web content, inbox, 1. Basic
The rotor function of VoiceOver is probably the most important one I found when navigating Gmail. It was the most difficult function to learn when figuring out how to use VoiceOver. It lets you jump between main sections of any web page so that way you can get there easily.
PM, not starred, button column 3. Important mainly because GitHub, clickable, link, rocket. Conversation opened, 1 unread message. You are currently on a heading level 2.
I am using the rotor one more time, exact same strokes, or I'm just getting to the main section to navigate through.
Print all. You are currently
This
on
next
button.
section was really frustrating to me because I had to click the right arrow 22 times versus I could just click that very easily with my mouse and activate that way. I am unsure if it was Gmail, my level of experience with VoiceOver, or another factor, but I feel that the layout of this section could have been done differently, so I would have been able to activate more quickly.
You can start using all of. Not able to enter the code? Paste the following link into your browser. Clickable. Link. https://github use. Firefox is not responding.
And that is all it took to create a GitHub account using a keyboard. You may not think so, but Firefox is not responding is an excellent end to this screen reader demo. Application and system compatibility is a deciding factor for screen reader users when selecting software, browsers, and websites. For more accessibility resources, check out the links below. Thank you for watching.